Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to create a AWS Lightsail instance and connect it using PowerShell. So first go to the uh, Lightsail. After that go to the instance in the left sidebar. Then create instance. So in the instance, first select the location where you want to deploy your Ubuntu instance. Here you can change your Ubuntu location or religion. I don't need to do that because Singapore is the closer location to me. Yes. After that, select a platform, Microsoft Windows or Linux. I am going to select Linux because I don't need Microsoft Windows. After that, I am going to select OS Ubuntu 22.04. After that, we are going to create a SSH key or change SSH key. If you see, you will connect to instance using the QuantumX SSH key, something like that, or default key. You change that SSH key so that you will have no problem to connect it through PowerShell. So change SSH key. So I am going to create a new SSH key. So yeah, we are going to create this in Singapore for all zone. Create. Here I am going to give it a name. So I am going to give it test underscore SSH. So generate key pair. Yeah, yes, and download the key. We have downloaded the SSH key. Okay, got it. So I'm doing this because if we are we are going to use default key, it creates some problems, and it is very cumbersome to connect through this default key using PowerShell. So we are going to for that reason we are going to use this test SSH key and enable a snapshot. We don't need that. So dual elastic IPv6 only. Select this using your requirements. After that we are going to select this instance. So I'm going to use, yeah, I'm going to select this for uh, this purpose only. If you want to host any docker application or something like that, uh, you should start with minimum 1 GB memory. I'm not going to do that, so that's why I'm going to use that one. After the identify your instance, so I'm going to test test and here you can use key value tag if you want to tag it or something like that, and I don't need that for now. So create instance. Yeah, the instance is created and it is activating. Yeah, the instance is running. So first, if you want to test the instance, you can go there and this will launch the terminal. Here you can see we have IP address 172.269.198. So go to that instance. Here 172.269.198 IP is this one, and I have a public IP address. So we are going to connect through this public IPv4 address. uh, for that, here our username is Ubuntu and SSH key is test SSH key. This is the SSH key test sh.pm. This will be .pm. There will be .pm extension for SSH. So for this we are going to we don't need this terminal website terminal now. We are going to use our PowerShell. So here Here is the PowerShell instance. After that, need to move this in other location, like yes, your C drive. Then go to users. After that, go to your name. My name is mdh2 st. So here we are going to see .shs, and here we are going to paste the test.access.pm. So now it is in the .shs directory. After that, and here if we write, if we go the properties, we are going to see this administrative. We are going, if we are going to check the security, if you have this, you don't need to do anything. You don't, yeah, sorry, we have to remove the system, and we have to do other some stuff. So I will be giving you a command that will run on the PowerShell. And so by running this command, we are going to change the permission of that pm file. So here home means the here home means this .shs here home means this, uh, here home, yeah, in the here home means this mdast directory, this directory. After that, we are going to select this file and change the permission of that file. So file name is test.shs.pm, test.shs.pm. So we are going to copy this line and paste it here. Yeah, this is done. Now if we check the properties, if we check the test SSH here, we also yeah, we also had the same permission. Yes. So now it's time to connect the instance. Here we can, if you are here we can attach a static IP, so that the IP of this public address remains same every time we reboot this instance. If we don't attach the static IP, every time we reboot, the public IP address will be changed, and if we connect any domain to this IP address, we have to change that also. Before going to attach a static IP, I am going to connect through this IP address. I will later show you the process to connect through the latest attached static IP. To connect a static IP, we need to type this command SSH. This is not the SSH key, we are going to use this SSH key. So home means the mdast directory. After that, we are going to we are going inside the .ssh directory. So that's why sshi home. This means $home means mdast directory, and we are going to .shs. After that, we are going to select test.shs.pm. So the name will be test.shs.pem. After that, we are going to give a space, and then we are going to give the username of this Lightsail instance. The Lightsail instance, you go to connect. Here we are going to see the username is Ubuntu, so this is the Ubuntu, and the IP address will be the public IP address will be this. So if we use this copy and paste it here, and if we are going to here, we are going to we are going to allow this in a known host for SSH. This will give us error later, but we are going to connect through this for our for learning purpose. Yes. Yeah. uh, Here warning: permanently added 52.221.2238 to the list of known host. Yeah, this will cause error when we are going to change this public IP, or sorry, not change, we are going to attach a static IP before address here. So here we are going, yeah, already we have connected to the Ubuntu, this instance. How can we check this? If we go back, sorry, if we go to the instance and run this, here, see, Ubuntu IP 172.269.198 and Ubuntu at the rate IP 172.269.198, both are identical. So we have connected to this instance, and we are going to run all, we can run all Ubuntu or Linux command. So now we are going to attach static IP. So we are going to attach here. This IP will be changed 52.221.223.238. See, this IP has changed. This is the static IP, and you don't have to worry about if you reboot this instance anymore, and the IP before will be same. So to connect this now, if we type exit, now if we run that same command, that we connected to 52.21223.32, these are not going to connect. Yeah, cannot connect to host. So we have to use this IP address. So if we change the IP address, copy, are you sure you want to? Okay. Oh, so we did it without any problem. So there is nothing problem. There is no problem here. Already we can run any Linux command like sudo apt update. So the so that's it. This is it for connecting Ubuntu with PowerShell. So we are going, so we can connect through PowerShell now. After that, we don't need it anymore. If we type exit, it will get out from that server, yeah, AWS Lightsail instance. So now if you want to delete this Lightsail, yeah, this is going, will be continued to be built for any resources that are detached because of this deletion. It is saying that we have attached an IP, we have attached an where is this here. If you're going to, we have attached an static IP. If we don't delete that static IP, this will cost us maybe $5 for every month. So we touch detach. We have detached the static IP. Now go to the Amazon Lightsail and not the networking tab of any instance, the Amazon Lightsails and the networking tab. Here we are going to see to static IP. This is the one I am using, but this is the latest static IP that we detached from that instance. So now remove this so that they don't give us a bill after the month. Here so now you see we can connect to PowerShell for any AWS Lightsail instance. That's it for now. Goodbye.